My goodness!
What happened, Turbo Girl?
Look at those children, teacher. They are dirtying the park.
This is an example of the negative impact which man has made to the environment.
Negative impact?
That's right. Look around you, Turbo Girl. Can you imagine that this plot of land stood a forest initially?
Huh?
The forest had been cleared and the land was developed for residential purposes. The result is what we see here.
The purpose of clearing the forest here was to build houses. Is this the only reason?
Of course not. This process whereby a forest is cleared by cutting down or burning trees is known as deforestation.
Deforestation. So, forests are cleared for different purposes. How does this action result in a negative impact on the environment, teacher?
Now follow through the activity and you will understand.
Wow, forests are really important to us.
That's not all, Turbo Girl. Remember, a forest is the habitat of many organisms. What will happen to them if the forest is cleared?
Oh no! Their lives will definitely be affected. They might even become extinct.
That is possible, Turbo Girl. In addition, if a forest is cleared by burning its trees, the smoke particles produced can cause another negative impact, and that is air pollution. We are very lucky, Turbo Girl. The air here is fresh and clean. In some places, the air contains too much dirt or unhealthy substances which are known as air pollutants.
Air pollutants. Are you referring to the smoke particles caused by deforestation?
Yes, and that is just one of the many examples, Turbo Girl. Basically, air pollutants are particles which make the air dirty and harmful. Here are some of the causes.
How are the air pollutants harmful to living organisms, teacher?
Let's find out.
This is terrible. Are there other forms of pollution, teacher?
Yes, there are.
Tell me about them, teacher.
Let's take a break for 5 minutes before proceeding to the next form of pollution, that is, water pollution. The next form of pollution is water pollution.
Let me guess. Water pollution occurs when there are water pollutants in water.
Very clever. Can you give me an example of water pollutants?
Let me think. I know, the litter which people throw along the beaches.
Very good.
That's horrible. Men will have to adopt practices which will prevent the environment from being harmed and causing deaths of organisms.
Absolutely. I cannot agree more.
By the way, apart from air and water pollution, what are the other forms, teacher?
We shall look at them another day.
I feel so depressed, teacher, knowing that many of man's actions can have such harmful effects on the environment and organisms.
I understand, Turbo Girl. What we can do now is to be aware of the causes and take actions to minimize such negative impacts.
Deforestation clears a forest permanently, while pollutants which are released into the environment causes pollution. Since we know of these effects, we have to be conscious when carrying out our daily activities.
That's right. Have a good rest, Turbo Girl. You've had a long day today.